Every year, the World Travel Awards holds a contest to see which country is the best culinary destination in the world. And for nearly 9 consecutive years, Peru has won.
And the winner is Peru and Machu Picchu.
We love Peruvian food, but we didn't know it was good enough to beat out France, Italy, Mexico, and Spain. And it got us wondering, what makes the food in Peru so good?
So we decided to take a cooking class led by a local expert chef to find out why.
Okay, my name is Ronald. Okay, I'm a professional cook. Yeah, I'm a normal local, my friends.
In Ronald's class, we toured a local market and prepared a famous local cocktail and 2 dishes to discover what makes Peruvian food so good.
What is the other thing? The Pisco Sour was made 100 years ago where? In Lima, France, yeah? In a place named Morris Bar. They're in Lima and close to the Hotel Bolivar, yeah? If you travel to Lima today, you're gonna find the bar and the Hotel Bolivar. There, they keep offering the original Pisco Sour, yeah? The original Pisco Sour was made 100 years ago by an American, yeah? An American. Of course, why not? Listen, yeah, after I think 50 years, we discovered that only was a copy of the whiskey sour. Okay. Yeah, but it's good, guys. It's delicious. Okay. Now next, these ones are the ingredients for our pisco sour. Look at this. First is the pisco. Second ingredient, sugar, friends. Very important. Simple syrup or liquid sugar. Next ingredient is our lime juice, okay? Jugo de limon. And finally, your favorite, egg white, okay? Very good. The egg white is for the foam into our drink. So please, my friends, follow my instructions, yeah? To have a good drink.
It's really good. It's gonna kick my ass.
Yeah.
Tastes better when you make it yourself?
Yeah, you made it all by yourself. Now you can stop here and have a pretty amazing ceviche, but if you want an authentic Peruvian ceviche, you'll need a few extra garnishes, including the famous Peruvian leche de tigre, or tiger's milk.
You don't really need to milk a tiger to get it, but it's pretty time consuming to make it from scratch. Check the description below for the full recipe.
Very spicy.
So spicy. I'm going to the water.
Good.
It's one of the better ceviches I've had since we've been here, too.
Really?
Yeah. We've been here for almost a month eating lomos, and the best one was the one you made.
Nothing like homemade.
So what makes Peruvian cuisine so good? In our opinion, it's based on two things.
First, fresh local ingredients. Peru's famous ceviche is always made with fresh fish. And in landlocked Cusco, where seafood is limited, Peruvians use fresh river trout, which makes it unique from the ceviche in other parts of the country.
Secondly, fusion and adaptation. Their most famous drink, the Pisco Sour, was made by an American, and their most famous dish, lomo saltado, incorporates flavors brought over by Chinese immigrants like soy sauce and ginger.
But there's so much more to Peru than what we covered in this video. If you're curious to see more, check out our Peruvian street food video and learn more.
Alright. You wanna give it a try?
Let's go.
Oh, that looks tender.
It's so tender.
Okay, I'm excited.
Oh my God, it's the most tender beef you've ever had.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Marinated to perfection.
Yeah.
It's not super salty. It was cooked over open charcoals. Oh my God.
It's like a really nice tender steak.